Hello friends, I am Shaurya Mishra. Welcome you to your own YouTube channel, Vision Care Advisor. Friends, I have come with one-liner series in ophthalmology. These one-liners will help you to solve all type of MCQs. So, without taking much time, let's get started. The superior portion of the optic radiation is supplied by branches of the middle cerebral artery, and the inferior portion of the optic radiation is supplied by the posterior cerebral artery. Osseous rings are seen in blunt eye trauma. Osseous ring is a well-circumscribed, complete or incomplete ring of pigment deposited on the anterior lens capsule surface. There are no sensory cells at the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, so no vision is possible at that spot, and this spot is called the blind spot. The junction between sclera and cornea is called the limbus. Shape of the pupil in glaucoma is vertically oval. Phacomorphic glaucoma is caused due to mature intumescent cataract. Intumescent cataract is a swollen cataract that pushes the iris forward and it blocks the angle. Mature intumescent cataract is an angle closure glaucoma. Phacolytic glaucoma or lens protein glaucoma is seen in hypermature Morganian cataract. Phacolytic glaucoma or lens protein glaucoma is an open-angle glaucoma. Epithelium of the cornea is stratified squamous, non-keratinized. The lack of the keratin protein is called non-keratinized. In xerophthalmia, stratified squamous becomes keratinized of the corneal epithelium due to presence of metaplasia. The anterior chamber is the space between the cornea and the iris. Anterior chamber is filled with aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is a water fluid produced by the ciliary body. Aqueous humor provides nutrients and oxygen for the crystalline lens and cornea. Ciliary body produced 2.3 microliter per minute of aqueous humor by ciliary processes. Normal amount of aqueous humor present in the anterior chamber is about 0.25 ml. Normal amount of aqueous humor present in the posterior chamber is about 0.06 ml. Refractive index of the aqueous humor is 1.336. Refractive index of the air is 1.00. Refractive index of the cornea is 1.376. Refractive index of the vitreous humor is 1.33. An average refractive index of the lens is 1.39. It means the central diameter of the lens is 1.41, and at the periphery called the cortex, refractive index is 1.38. The posterior chamber is the space between the posterior surface of the iris and the anterior surface of the lens. Posterior chamber is also filled with aqueous humor. The posterior chamber is the space between the posterior surface of the lens and the retina. The vitreous chamber is filled with the vitreous body. Vitreous body is a transparent gel that is made up of 99% water and in addition to extremely delicate type 2 collagen fibers, hyaluronic acid and electrolytes. Convex spherical lens is used to correct the hypermetropia, aphakia and presbyopia. Convex spherical lens is used in oblique illumination examination, indirect ophthalmoscopy, microscope, telescope, camera lenses, projectors, binoculars, and as a magnifying lens. Convex lens is converging means inward the rays of the light. Convex lens is thick at the middle and thin at the periphery. An object appears magnified if you hold closer to convex lens. When you move the convex lens and the object seen through it, the object moves in the opposite direction. Concave spherical lens is used to correct the myopia and as ruby lenses for fundus examination. Ruby lens has a dioptric power of -58 diopter. Concave lens is diverging the rays of light. Concave lens is thin at the middle and thick at the periphery. An object appears magnified if you hold closer to concave lens. When you moved the concave lens, the object seen through it and the object move in the same direction. Cylindrical lens is used to correct the astigmatic refractive error and injection cross cylinder. When cylinder lens is rotated around its optical axis, object seen through it becomes distorted. Cylindrical lens acts only in one axis. When cylindrical lens is moved up and down or sideways, the object seen through it moves only in one direction against the lens in a convex cylinder and with the lens in a concave cylinder. Severe pain is not a common symptom of conjunctivitis. Most common cause of blindness in India is cataract. LASIK is used in myopia. Retinoscopy is performed mostly from the distance of 1 meter or 2/3 meter from the patient. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. We will come with another series of one-liner that would be helpful for you. Please do remember to check your vision yearly and see the world clearly.